Ki khubor ka bate se TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Yamaha. Visit Yamaha showroom for big discount and very low down payments only this August. Don't miss out. Contact 96129 51198 or 96129 51298.
Kolong ke bas ngong sarong lada pensyong nongrim ye jaka puli ki bidan ha ki jaka wakham kendong ha ka baki bon balang ki juk ken ben ye jaka puli ki bidan shakindong kendong henry ha ki ni ki por menta kam da pershu na ki jaka puli ki bidan hasarba ke Xavier'S College Oi Southwest Khasi Hills District menta kala say sendon ye ki Samla puli ki blayo Rung ha ka top 10 ha ka exam jang school ba nehu ha ka subject political science ka Samla Bashimti snaitang na ka shnong nong lang klawan ra Burom ye ki Xavier'S College Oi Southwest Khasi Hills District kumjuru ye ka district Brockway ha ka balayo Rung ha ka top 10 ha ka subject political science ha ka nehu exam ka barang shudaption ka Bashimti snaitang ka diga Samla ka papuli ya ki batch BA banding kong ha Xavier'S College Oi ka diga pinpaw bigi jaka puli ha ki nong kendong kimper show bar ki we ki jaka puli ki bidan ha sorba na mag Xavier'S College Oi menta kala ban se ye ki Samla puli ki bitbit kum ki we de ki college.
What learning experiences provided you the motivation for your higher performance?
Okay, so as a student of St. Xavier's, I feel St. Xavier's is not just an institution, but it is a platform to foster my knowledge, my wisdom, and then my personality. And there are so many experiences that I've had in St. Xavier. The competitions we have here. I'm overwhelmed with the opportunities that I've had, the lessons that we have learned, and the growth that we have experienced. I remember when I first walked to the doors of St. Xavier's with a mind full of doubts, a heart filled with fears and tears in my eyes. I could not believe that all of that expression suddenly changed when I experienced the symphony of love, learning, and unwavering support here. And gradually, St. Xavier's has become more like a home, a place to learn with love and care, a nurturing ground for growth, and a beacon of hope for a bright future. And my dear juniors, you are the luckiest to study here in the best and prestigious college which strive towards excellence. St. Xavier's is for all of us who can make the difference. As I leave St. Xavier's, I'll take with me the sweet memories, lessons, and my humble legacy. And I may not have left a mark, but you have left an incredible mark on me. And the future here is bright. Life is beautiful. Life is a battlefield with full of ups and downs, highs and lows, plains and rocks. Remember to believe in yourself. Never talk bad about yourself. Be bold and brave. Be your own cheerleader.